Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is definitely something different. It is a get ready with me, but we are underway on the Carnival Conquest. I'm on vacation with my husband and my in-laws, and tonight is our first formal night. Because of the length of our cruise, there are 2 formal nights, and this one we decided we were going to do a full glam, do family portraits, go to dinner, and then enjoy a show. I think there's 2 shows that we're going to watch tonight. But for us, it's fun because we get to dress up. So for this formal night, I have a long black dress with this gold inlay. So I tried to keep with that as far as my eye look. And I did a gold eye with a little bit of black smokiness on the outside with a little bit of a wing liner. I definitely did a lot of highlight. I even highlighted my collarbones, which I think I forgot to do in the video. I did it after I did the tutorial, but I wanted to touch on it when I did my introduction. And then I went with a bold red lip to bring it all together. Then for this look, I didn't want to have a necklace or a bracelet, so I went with really pretty dangly earrings. And then I have my headband that has pearls as well as gold leaves on it. Just wanted to keep it a little bit simple as far as jewelry is concerned because the bodice on the dress is very elaborate. So if you want to see the tutorial that I did for getting ready for formal night with my family, stay tuned because here it is. Okay, so before I started, I'd already primed my face with the Tarte Poreless Mattifying Primer, and then I did my foundation with the Too Faced Born This Way in the color Vanilla. And I already did my eyebrows. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my concealer with the Cover FX Power Play Concealer in the color P Light 1. And now I'm going to set it with the Kat Von D Lock It Brightening Powder in the color Petal. I'm going to use that same beauty blender I used for my concealer. And then for contour, I'm going to be using the bronzer in the NARS Orgasm Infatuation palette. This color right here. Now staying in that same palette, I'm going to be using the Orgasm blush. And then for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Artist Couture in Illuminati. Alright, now I'm going to start on my eyes. I'm going to be using the P. Louise base. I'm going to apply this on both eyes for primer. And this is in the color Rumour 0.5. Now that we have our eyes primed, I'm going to zoom you in so we can start on our eyes. Okay, to start out with, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Disney Designer Collection eyeshadow palette. To start out, I'm going to be using the color Chip. I'm going to lay this down all over my eye to set my primer. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Grumpy in my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Triton in the outside corner. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Midnight Curfew. I'm going to place this in the outside corner, keep it a little bit darker on the outside corner, and then just smoke it into the middle. Now I'm going to go in with the color One Kiss on the middle part of my lid. And I'm just kind of patting it in there because I don't want to lose this shimmer. I'm going to go back in with the color Midnight Curfew and just blend out the outer portion of the eye. Gonna go back into the crease with the color Grumpy and just blend. Now I'm gonna go in with Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the color Wanderlust. I'm gonna place it on my eyelid, and then I'm going to use a clean brush to blend it out. Now that the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow is dried, I'm going to go back in with the color One Kiss and blend out that harsh edge. Now I'm going to go in with the color Prince Charming in the inner corner. Now under the eye I'm going to go in with the color Triton. Now I'm going to go in with the color Midnight Curfew. I'm not going to put too much of this in the outside corner. I'm just going to smoke it out a little bit. So for eyeliner, I'm going to tightline using the Doucce Cosmetics Ultra Precision Eyeliner. I'm going to put that right into the waterline. Okay, and we know that I cannot do liquid eyeliner on camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my liquid eyeliner off camera, do my mascara. I'll be right back. I just finished my liquid eyeliner, which I use the Kat Von D ink liner in Trooper Black. And then for mascara, I use the IT Cosmetics Superhero. When I was doing my eyeliner, I realized that I didn't actually do anything underneath my eyebrow. So I'm going to use the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati. And I think I'm gonna go in right above my temples with the Artist Couture as well. And then for lips, I'm going to outline my lips with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Unicorn Blood lip liner, which is brand new. I just got it in the mail before I went on vacation. Because the lip color that I'm using is a little bit lighter than this lip liner, I'm going to put this all over my lips. And then for lipstick, I have the MAC Cosmetics Straight Fire Matte Lipstick. This is actually from their holiday line. And even though it says it's a matte, it has a sheen to it. And now to set it, to make sure it stays all night, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This is a travel size that I got in my, I think I got this in my Sephora Play box, and it came just in time before I went on vacation. That's it for this look. Let me go get my dress on and I'll finish up this video. Well guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure to click the bell to get notifications of new videos, which go up Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And then if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you like this video. And if you have any comments or suggestions, leave those down in the comments box. And until next time, bye.